What's up, guys? This is my second YouTube video, and I'm going to be showing how to wash your dirt bike. You know, this is the Apollo RFZ 125, blah, can't talk today. So, 125cc motor, you know, people call them pit bikes. I call this one a dirt bike, just because the wheels are pretty big in the front. So, it's not that dirty. I mean, I washed it last time before we went riding. But, just like, let's make a YouTube video, man. This is for beginners that don't know how to wash their dirt bikes. I mean, anybody probably knows how to wash a dirt bike, but I'm gonna wash the dirt bike. Just trying to situate the phone here. So you grab the rag, grab your soap, spray your bike down, dip it in the soap, and you begin scrubbing. You know, it's just like washing your car. Not that dirty. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys up close. So, you know, you just dip it in the water, and then you scrub away. Just like a car. And this bike is like 3 years old. It's pretty well taken care of, as you can see. Seat's still perfect. Plastics are still great. X18 RFZ. Definitely one you should consider getting. Gotta have a clean exhaust pipe. Foot pegs. Get your rear brake. Clean the frame off. You gotta have a clean frame. The bars, you already know. This bike's all stock except for the 17-tooth sprocket here. Yeah, I've done 51 miles an hour on it, and I'm trying to talk quiet because I have neighbors here. And they're gonna be like, "What are you doing, kid?" You know? So, clean the suspension. And this is only my second YouTube video, so it's not gonna be great. I don't know how to do cuts yet. But, you know, sometimes you're gonna cut your fingers or bruise yourself, so you gotta be careful of that. I know we still gotta get under the fender. I'm just gonna start the wheels early. It's not that dirty, so I don't have to go all out. You know, disc rotor, forks. So yeah, this is really all you have to do. You spray it down with some water, and you're left with shine. Shine, baby. See, it wasn't that dirty anyway under here, but just like, I want to make a YouTube video. So, I hate how these get so dusty after you come back from trail running. Alright, so, I gotta put the camera down, because I'm gonna hose off the bike. Leave this right here. And we left with shine. Now, there's just under the fender we have to get, and the rear wheel. You can tip your bike over if you want. Just make sure your gas is off to get underneath the skid plate here. Now, I don't have to go full out and clean this bike because I did it last time. You know, I have the fenders waxed. They're safe, so they're alright to be waxed. Clean the swing arm. You already know. Gotta have a clean swing arm. This is my dad's bike, if you're wondering. And let me tell you, we couldn't have had better first bikes. Gotta get under the fender. Gotta get this fork because I missed it. Woo. We were up to 6 minutes. Just make sure that you cover your carburetor off, your exhaust. And I didn't even mention in the beginning, these are the tools that you'll need. A screwdriver, a piece of tape, roll of tape, whatever, and then the rag for the exhaust, because you don't want water going in the carb or the exhaust. So, bike's looking pretty good. Mine's in the garage right now. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty clean. Dirt bike. Summit racing, you already know. My goal is to be not scraping, but like doing wheelies eventually. So, one day I'm going to be a motor vlogger. You know, I see all sorts of people like Motobro, Dank Wheelie. We got One My Core, the pedal bike game. You already know. Gotta clean the gas cap. Make sure this is tight too. This bike's 2017, if I haven't already mentioned. I think we're pretty good here. Probably just get the front right side of the wheel. And then I think we'd be good. We just gotta hose it down. Ooh, getting splashed. And then we'll be good. Like and subscribe. Landon Rangeli Bike Life out here. Yeah, I put the camera down. And then the hose her off. Toss that right there. And we are done. And if you're thinking I didn't do a good job, well, let me tell you. Last time I cleaned this bike hard. So, I mean, how does this thing look? Thing looks clean. Good bike. Get a nice shot. X18. And if you launch these bikes, like if you shift the second gear, they pop up the front wheel pretty easy. They have like very torquey, jerky second gears, which is great for power. And you could wheelie them. I'm just not good at it. So yeah, now what you want to do is just grab a rag, dry your bike. I usually use like a leaf blower that we have in the shed, but I'm just going to dry it with a rag today because it honestly takes forever with the leaf blower. The only reason why we mostly use the leaf blower is because we have to blow out the air filter, so make sure you do that. So yeah, trying to turn the bars here, make it look cool, shiny. But yeah, I'm going to go dry this bike before we get water spots. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, you already know what's good. Dislike, whatever you want. You know, they're all there for a reason, I always say. So yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Hope this helped. And peace. I did it bad. Hold on. Peace.